Hello everyone, today I'll be discussing how companies in South Africa could improve their overall performance. They should begin to consider the following. Two-way symmetrical communication. The problem in South Africa is that employees feel voiceless. There should be dialogue between employees and the management. The dialogue should be used to exchange ideas equally among the managers and employees within the organization. Managers should give the employees a chance to safely give feedback and express on their concerns. The excellence theory. The problem is that the internal employees are not part of important decision making. To conquer this issue, the organization should include the employees in leadership programs and include them when making decisions that have an effect on the workplace. By engaging them in leadership, it will bridge the gap between managers and employees by making messages clear and acceptable. The employees should also have access to a laptop or smartphone in order to receive the information. Now moving to our second last theory, which is the stakeholder relationship management theory. There is a lack of trust between the employees and managers. The trade union is seen as a threat to companies. To combat this problem, there should be meetings discussing the issue in a well-timed and transparent environment. Companies should see trade unions as internal stakeholders as well. Last but not least, Ubuntu theory. Ubuntu means I am because we are. This theory involves mutual respect, mutual goals, and promotes inclusive discussions where all employees feel valued. South Africa is culturally diverse, and Ubuntu promotes understanding in the workplace. This is why Ubuntu can overcome challenges seen in the South African corporate world. An example would be businesses implementing discussion groups in order to make the relationship better within the workplace. To summarize everything means that companies in the South African country should apply all these theories together to have good relationships with internal and external stakeholders, as well as a fair working environment for everyone. This will boost the company's growth overall. Thanks for watching.